In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral YouTube shorts for free with the help of AI in a matter of minutes as a complete beginner. First of all, go to YouTube and search for hashtag shorts in the search bar. This will open up the shorts shelf and you can see the total number of shorts here. Now the strategy is to create YouTube shorts on specific topics, which are type of evergreen content and being constantly searched on YouTube. So I'll search hashtag shorts and put a plus sign and write top 10 in the search bar. It will bring up all of the top 10 channels which are doing top 10 shorts, such as top 10 cleanest countries in the world, top 10 most dangerous countries in the world, etc. So these are some really nice topics which target a broader audience, and even people search for this type of content on YouTube. Now let's go to ChatGPT and create a video script such as top 10 car brands in the world, or top 10 most popular soft drinks in the world, or top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. And here's the script with the 10th being on top. Now we are going to use only one software which is free to use and create our YouTube shorts. Simply go to Google and type CapCut. Click this button to use the online video editor. Now sign in using your Google account. Now we are going to create a new video and open the ratio section from here and select 9:16 to create a portrait video. Now from the left sidebar, click on Captions. Then select Manual Captions. Then copy a part of your script from ChatGPT and paste it here to create a caption. Next step is to go to text-to-speech option at the right side and set the language as English. There are a bunch of voiceover profiles which sound really good. For example, this serious female profile sounds like an original human voice.
Coming in at the 7th position, we have the seemingly docile but incredibly dangerous hippopotamus, responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than any other large animal. These territorial giants can be highly aggressive, especially when threatened.
Now we just have to click on Apply button here, and it's going to apply the text-to-speech automatically. Now the next part is to insert an image and animate it. Simply click on the Photos tab from the left sidebar and type the name of the animal in the search bar. It gives us lots of images to choose from. If you want, you can choose and use multiple images to make the video more dynamic, or use only one image. So after selecting the image, you can resize it so that it fits the screen size. You can also animate the image by clicking on Animation from the right side and select any one of these. For example, we can select Zoom in Animation, but we also have control over the duration of this animation. I'll just select 3 to 4 seconds. Now you have to extend the text till the end of last sentence in the audio. If you want to make it more dynamic, you can manually split the captions and show them by phrases or words according to the audio. Now to move to the next scene, we can repeat the same steps by copying the text from ChatGPT and click here to add another caption and paste the text, generate the voiceover, etc. Once the video is done, click on Export button. Set it as 1080p because we want it in high quality. When you upload the short, you must consider doing the SEO for this video. Add keywords such as top 10 most dangerous animals, top 10 video, etc. They should be in the title, description, and tag section. So this is how you can create AI shorts easily with the help of ChatGPT and CapCut. If you want to learn other methods to creating bulk YouTube shorts, check out this video right here.